Today I'm going to show you how you can create your Binance account. If this video sounds helpful, watch it till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss informative videos like this. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. You can create a Binance account by going into the official website of Binance. In the search bar, type in binance.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you can see that the official website of Binance has opened. Now you can see there is a register button on the top panel of the screen. Click on the register button. Now you will be presented with a few options to create your Binance account. You can either sign up with your phone number or your email ID, or use your Apple account, or you can also sign in with your Google account. I'm going to be using my email address. Next, you can enter in your email address along with your password, or you can choose your phone number. I'm going to be using my email address. Now, create a new password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long, which must include at least one number and one uppercase letter. If you want to confirm your password, you can click on the eye icon to reveal your password. Now, you will need to check on this privacy policy button to continue. If you want, you can also read the terms and service and privacy policy. After you fill in the information, now you can click on create account. Next, a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address or your mobile number. If you didn't get the code, you can click on this link and the code will be resent. After that, you can click on submit. That's how easily you can create your Binance account. If you liked the video and found the video to be helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back soon with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.